Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scribe and Passion. I am here with an artistic studio creation design team project. That's ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. And you can use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchases. This is an album that I did with the Graphic 45 Elegance collection. And the collection is black and pink. As you can see, it is an 8x8 by 3 inch spine cream base with a lot of black throughout it too, regular cardstock. And it's similar to the Alice mini albums, but I changed up some stuff. So this is the cover. And then I tried to do like a lace up kind of back. I used rivets and I like it, but it's not without its faults. You can see where the rivets are and the ribbon went through it. It is bulked up just a little bit, but not enough to be worrisome. Maybe I'll try and put some extra adhesive on that and weigh it down. And then the back is one of the patterns with one of the stickers on it. And then if we flip, oh, I put some flat back pearls there. If you can see those. Okay, and you flip it open, and I did a diagonal pocket in the front and the back. So I'll just show you what I have here. A couple of big mats. These are 7x7 mats, I believe. And this one is a 6x6. And I used the stickers throughout just to decorate. I got like, this is like a 4.25 by 5.5 inch mat. Here is my double tag pocket. So you have these two little tags there. And then two of the small cut aparts from the 8x8 album. Just a small swing. And this page has a pocket on the back. And it opens like that. And then just a tag. This pocket swings open, and I have a big belly, no, not a belly band, I have a swing here, and again the 4x6 small flap here using one of the journaling cards. And then a large pocket over here. Again, this one is 6x6 mat. And this is one of the journaling cards that I just matted to make a little fold. I have a horizontal pocket here, or I'm sorry, a vertical pocket. Just a plain mat in there, a journaling card. This is one of the very small pockets. Oh, the back of that's a journaling card. This is a small pocket with a flap in it and then a tab on the top. And then this one here, this little cut apart, you can fit something in there. Another journaling card. This is a 4x6 journaling card that I cut down. And then a couple flaps here. And it brings you to a large belly band. There's a journaling tag that's matted, and then just a booklet. And then the next page is an 8x8, and then a flap here that has the tab on it. This is a small pocket, and it has one of the journaling cards in it that's matted on a booklet. And it just slides in there. And then we have this page that has the double wide opening, and then this is from the cut apart sheet. So it's basically a journaling tag plus a couple of the border strips, and it fit like perfect. So okay, and then this side we have a pocket that has a large tag in it. I think this one is 6.5 by 6.5. I did my quilting method there. And then a belly band on top of that pocket, or not a belly band, a waterfall on top of that pocket. Okay, and then in this pocket we have one of the journaling cards, and then this is one of the ephemera pieces that I just mat on the back of a piece of cardstock, and it's open so you can put a picture or whatever you want in there. And then just a regular journaling card if I didn't say that. Flap, and then we have 4 flaps. This is the Martha Stewart punch, the doily punch. And so 4 big flaps. Lots of room. Pink on one side, black on the other. And then this one opens up and you have a diagonal diagonal belly band there. There's lots of room in there, so you can put even more stuff in there. You flip this open, there's a large pocket. And the front of this tag is quilted again. It just goes right in there. One of the small pages, I just added a border strip to the back and then a tab. And then this is kind of a, I don't know, diagonal waterfall. So you have 4 in this lot and 4 in this lot, and they're journaling cards on the front and then some of the black paper on the back. And then the back is just matted with black paper. It has one of the border strips here and then 2 stickers. Okay, and then this one is like a double pocket, much like my small double tag pocket, but this is just a big one. And I just put 2 tags in there that open up like folders, and added those with the pink stripes. This page has a small flap and then a flap with a like standalone pocket made out of journaling card. It's not the whole pocket. And then that pocket has a booklet in it. And then 2 more of these flaps and a 5-inch pocket with a mat, and this one has the grid on it, or the quilted method. And the last page, you flip this up, we have another double tag page. This one's a little bit different. Each one of these tags open. Slide in there. And this one closes, and then the back has 2 booklets in it. One of them is the cut apart, or the journaling card, and then the other one is another quilted booklet. And then one of the ephemera pieces there. And then again on the back we have one of the stickers that's matted in black. Alright, and there you go, and that is my ASC design team project. There's a couple of pages that are in here different from the Alice collection. They're the same size pages though, so there's a possibility I could do a full tutorial on this, or I could just do the pages that are different. So yeah, let's look ahead for that. I have some requests on the tiny little mini album, this one here. I have requests on a tutorial for this one, so that may be next. We'll see what happens. I appreciate everyone for watching. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Use ScrappingPosh10 for 10% off your normal price purchases. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I thank you very much. Bye-bye.